Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Mr. Know-It-All. Today we're going to cover a coin called EVOS, Evolution of Services. Alright, they are currently trading around $13,000, almost $14,000 per node, guys. I know some of you are like, oh my god, that's out of my price range. I understand, guys. I just want to make sure I cover coins that have the volume, are on the right exchanges, have good teams, etc. Okay, so right now this coin's getting around almost $48,000 worth of volume today. It's producing around 4 nodes worth of rewards per day, 10,000 coins for a Masternode. They are listed on CryptoBridge. Let's check out their bitcointalk thread here. Looks like it's got a newbie member with around 15 pages of content, so that's good. They've been around roughly for a month on here. I would say that's pretty strong. So they are a service platform where you can make investments in Masternode coins easier and more secure. Here you go. Here's what their kind of issues they're resolving. Okay, so they make deploying Masternodes easier. The EVOS platform will allow users to sell rewards for BTC with one click. So that's great. And also you can sell your BTC for fiat. Guys, that's big. I don't think any other Masternode is really offering that feature. You guys can check this out. It looks like they have 5 companies that are confirmed planning to integrate into the EVOS ecosystem, so they're going to get some real-world adoption right there. That's definitely going to be good for them. Let's check out the rest of their information here, guys. All right, let's get into their block explorer. All right, so the top 25 actually is a little bit over my limit here of 50%. However, you could see that this is the dev fee wallet, so that knocks out about 4%. They're right on the cusp of that. I would say that's still going to be okay. Let's check out their website. Their website looks really nice, guys. I will say that. It looks like they have an exposed team. Alright, so that's going to definitely get the check mark. Let's check out their Discord here. Looks like they're pretty active, and they have obviously a really big team here. Here's Bilal Mokrani, as you can see on their website right here. So that's good. Yeah, guys, looks like they're pretty active here. They're definitely updating the community on a daily basis. So that's going to get the check mark. I don't think that their platform is ready for use yet, as they are building something that is very big and definitely going to be time consuming. So I'm not sure when their actual release date will be, but sure, it won't be too far from now. So make sure you guys check in with them on that. And for those of you that can't afford this Masternode, it looks like they do some staking here. 20% goes to the staker on the block rewards. So if you guys have questions about how to set up staking wallet or stuff like that, please let me know. Make sure you guys join my Discord channel and the link below, and like and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so let's go through the EVOS here real quick. The bitcointalk thread's a newbie, so that's going to get an X. They're listed on CryptoBridge, which is a viable exchange. Their volume is good. That's going to get the check mark. The coin inflation is good. It's only about 4 Masternodes right now, so that's good. I'll give them the check mark for that. They have an exposed team, so that's check mark. The use case for this coin obviously is definitely going to get a check mark. They're going to have real world adoption with other companies and organizations joining their ecosystem. So overall, I mean, they're looking pretty good, guys. I'm looking at giving this coin like a solid 8.5, 9 out of 10 for their efforts here. Let's check out how the trading volume is for EVOS today. Like I said, it's roughly around almost 8 Bitcoins. Guys, this chart looks really great. It looks like it's made new all-time highs. Although it's only been trading for, probably about a week or two on the hourly. So they got some nice volume, as you can see. It's looking like a really bullish chart, I will say that. Looks really good, especially right now. Look at that. They got some nice consolidation going on. Looks like it's about to make another move to the north side. A lot of these other coins definitely are doing the opposite, especially Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin is not looking too great, but this is looking like a good hedge against Bitcoin, guys. I won't normally say that, but this chart looks pretty good. Another coin that's comparable would be like Logis coin. We could take a look at that. I mean, they have got a lot of volume, but their chart doesn't look as favorable, I would say. Looks like their price kind of got crushed here. Make sure you guys keep note of that. EVOS looks like they've got something good here, and they're just starting, so make sure you guys check them out. Yeah, guys, so EVOS looking pretty good. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you in the next video.